Tesla Battery Day. In a Tesla event dubbed Battery Day, Elon Musk and Senior Vice President and Engineer Drew Baglino described in detail a plan for a new generation of electric vehicle batteries. These will be more powerful, longer-lasting batteries and will be produced in-house. Musk stated that all this will reduce costs and bring the sale price of Tesla electric cars closer in line to gasoline-powered cars. Tesla's new largest cylindrical cells, 4860, will provide 5 times more energy, 6 times more power, and a 14% reduction in price per kilowatt hour. Although prototypes are working, full production is about 3 years away, according to the presentation. In 2018, Panasonic battery shortages caused some delays in production. At this moment, Tesla realized that they can't rely on external partners forever. They are going to keep existing partners around for a while longer, but eventually they are going to have to do things on their own. Elon said that Tesla will build a new plant in North America, reducing supply chain costs and simplifying cathode production. Tesla wants to do everything in-house to streamline the process from raw materials all the way to the final product. Production of battery elements is estimated to use 10 times less energy thanks to some manufacturing techniques acquired from Maxwell Technologies. It is also making improvements to the process that would make cathodes 76% cheaper and will also produce zero wastewater. Combined efforts in streamlining the production line could see a plant with an output of 1 terawatt-hour of energy in a smaller footprint than what a plant that has only 150 gigawatt-hours of output. More localized production is estimated to reduce the number of miles traveled from transporting materials by 80%, further saving costs and emissions. With all of these efforts combined, Tesla expects a 54% increase in range while reducing the cost per kilowatt hour by 56%. The new batteries are expected to be in the Cybertruck Roadster 2.0 and semi-truck. Vertical integration makes this all possible, allowing for more control and customization to make the whole system as efficient as possible. Tesla is also building its own cell manufacturing facility at its new factory in Germany, in addition to the new plant in Fremont, California. Tesla is also planning to eliminate the use of cobalt in its cathodes, and this is even though Tesla's existing batteries very little. Cobalt is often mined under terrible conditions that violate human rights. The aim is to replace the cobalt nickel for the higher quality batteries. Cobalt is also one of the most expensive battery materials, so getting rid of it will also reduce costs. Recycling the batteries was also a big part of the plan. It was stated that eventually there is not going to be a need to mine new raw materials, as recycling existing batteries will have better yield for materials versus mining. Elon stated that it was critical to reduce the cost of cars. He mentioned that affordability was key to scaling. While average electric vehicle prices have been decreasing in recent years thanks to changes in battery composition, they are still far more expensive than regular cars. It is estimated that the battery makes up 1/3 of the electric vehicle costs. Some researchers estimate that for electric cars to be as viable as gasoline, the cost of a battery pack has to be $100 per kilowatt hour. Tesla's battery packs currently cost $156 per kilowatt hour as of 2019. So efforts to reduce the cost of batteries is paramount to the long-term goal. These new batteries by Tesla will go towards building a $25,000 car. It is expecting to have such a car available in about 3 years. Tesla is usually always behind schedule, so maybe we can expect such a car in about 4 or 5 years. In the long term, the company is also targeting an annual production of 20 million vehicles, or almost twice as much as Volkswagen Auto Group sold last year, and they were the world's best-selling individual auto company. So according to Musk and Drew, all of what was said in the presentation is working in principle, and on a small scale, most of the remaining work involves scaling. It was also announced that structural changes will be made to how the cars are actually built. Batteries will now be part of the car to save space and allow for even more battery cells. Elon has been teasing a new souped up Model S for a while. The car will be a step above the ludicrous model. The specs are insane. It's going to have over 520 miles of range, get from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds, and have a top speed of 200 miles per hour. In testing around the track, Laguna Seca, this new model beats the previous Tesla record by 18 seconds. The price listed on Tesla's website is about $140,000 and it's going to be available in late 2021. So in summary, this event housed a lot of promise. A 54% increase range while reducing the cost per kilowatt hour by 56% plus. The recycling supply chain and minimal environmental impact is a tall order. It seems optimistic, but the Tesla team has been proving people wrong for over a decade. So if anyone can do it, it's going to be them. What do you think about these changes? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.